Welcome to another episode of DBTV. We're here at Heisman's and we're here to do the unveiling for the new McLaren 765LT Spider. And without further ado, let's unveil this car. Oh, she's tight. That's what she said, right? Ta-da! You like? So let's have a quick walk around of the LT Spider. If you want to have a more full detailed look, we've got the unboxing video where we do, a closer look of the spec that I went. But let's have a look at some of the bigger details. So went with the exterior carbon aero. In Australia, these vents come carbon standard. The carbon aero continues on with the side skirt. I think a big thing is I went with the coupe wheels. I didn't go with the Spider wheels. One, they were an extra 10,000 Australian. Two, I didn't like the way it looked, but a lot of people have chosen because it's exclusive to the Spider. But yeah, I just love the gloss black 10-spoke lightweight wheels from the coupe. The rear end, looking at the diffuser, I didn't go with the carbon because it's a big dollar option. And once you do the pinstripes, to be honest, with it being so low, that detail, the carbon's kind of lost. But I got the carbon here. We went with the exposed titanium tips instead of the blackout. But we're going to put these babies on anyway, the titanium riff muffler. Another detail that you probably can notice that the spoiler on the Spiders kind of rise up a little bit more than the coupe. So McLaren factory says because of the aero difference with the coupe, that the angles on the spoiler, the Spider rises up a little bit higher. So I specified amethyst black on the 765LT Spider, same as my coupe. As you can tell with my SV, and my Bentley, purple's my jam, but I don't want straight purple. I do like the, black that turns into purple when the sun hits it. So let's have a look at the SV. This one was originally white. We've wrapped this with Innotek Midnight Purple, and it's kind of good contrast to see the three cars. I'd say this is probably the most purple out of the three, this Midnight Purple from Innotek. And then coming across to my Bentley, which is finished in Damson. I'd say probably this is somewhere in the middle in terms of in terms of purple, and probably the amethyst is actually probably similar to the Bentley. But yeah, I kind of like, because it feels like you're getting two colors. In the dark, it looks more black, and then when the sun hits it or when light hits it, like we are, under the Heisman's showroom and workshop, you can see the purple. So it's that subtle. It's a bit quiet, isn't it? We need an exhaust. If you're leaving the cafe and you want everyone to know that this is your car, see, everyone on the footpath knows that this is my car. Not bad. So let's have a closer look of the interior of the LT Spider that I spec'd with MSO. So I think the biggest difference, other than the purple and orange color combination that we specified with MSO, is the comfort seats. I specifically wanted the electric comfort seats because I find the buckets a little bit too firm, and I'm very happy with that decision. In the one or two drives that I've had with this just around the block, instantly I could, I'm happy with the choice that I made. The one thing about the McLarens is sometimes the sound doesn't come through the cabin, but obviously with the Spider, you just put that back window down, just like the 812 GTS, and all the sound from the engine and the exhaust comes through the cabin. That's worth its price difference over the coupe. And obviously with the McLaren, you can get these optional chromatic roof where it goes from dark to light. You know, with a car like this, you spend so much money. I think this is a must-have option, because effectively it's like you're driving a coupe, but you know, you're still having the sound coming through the back. Easemans are going to be installing the Rift exhaust and the FI cats. Can't wait to drive this around in January over summer in Sydney, roof down. I look forward to showing you guys then. Until then, thanks for watching another episode of DBTV, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We really do appreciate your support. Thanks, guys. Do you even rift, bro?